Pharma Sahi Daam 2.0 app. The Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia launched the Pharma Sahi Daam 2.0 app and Integrated Pharmaceutical Database Management System 2.0 during the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, NPPA. Pharma Sahi Daam 2.0 app will have updated features like speech recognition, share button, bookmarking medicines. It also has a facility for launching complaints by consumers through the Consumer Complaint Handling module. The app will be available in Hindi and English language in both iOS and Android versions. IPDMS 2.0. Integrated Pharmaceutical Database Management System 2.0 is an integrated responsive cloud-based application developed by NPPA with technical support from Advanced Computing Center, CDAC. It would provide a single window for submissions of various forms, as mandated under Drug Price Control Order, DPCO 2013. It will also enable paperless functioning of NPPAs, and facilitate stakeholders to connect with the National Pharma Pricing Regulator from across the country. National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, NPPA. NPPA is independent body under Department of Pharmaceuticals under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. It was set up in 1997. Its mandate is to fix, revise controlled bulk drugs prices and formulation.